Hello from AlphaCars, from our Boxborough location in Massachusetts. My name is Dimitri, and I'd love to share with you my excitement over this E350. There are a lot of 350s out there, but there's only one that delivers this amazing value. Let's check it out closer. With only 35,000 miles and priced in the teens, yes, you heard me, in the teens, this is outstanding value. We bought this car from a Lincoln dealer. It was a trade-in on a fancy Lincoln. It has very impressive ownership and service history, and it shows. When our technician put this car up on the lift, he was extremely pleased and shared his excitement with the rest of the team, and we all looked at it underneath and we're like, wow, this is unbelievable. This is like a brand new car. So we treated this vehicle to a brand new set of best tires money can buy, Extreme Contact by Continental, all four. The brakes are in excellent condition, and you can go on our website and you can see specifically all the technical details that were reported by our technician. We include that in our description. As you can see, it has a beautiful AMG sport cladding as part of the sport trim. For example, right next to it is a regular E-Class of about the same vintage that does not have the sport trim, and this one does. You can see completely different appearance. Very aggressive AMG styling, and balanced with that timeless styling, and yet very, very sporty. So we are going to take a peek inside. It has amazing color combination, dual tone with a dark black carpet and a beautiful coffee color interior, leather steering wheel. Of course, it's got the moonroof. Like new condition. It even smells like new car. And you have all your typical goodies and a nice set of options, including heated seats and a number of other things. Again, I will remind you that we have amazing listings for each vehicle. We put a lot of time and effort in delivering the abundance of information, very helpful information, that you can learn about the car right in the listing, about a specific car, not just a general like E-Class. That's what makes our listings very different from the rest of the industry. The trunk is like new condition. There's plenty of space, and there's a space saver spare wheel. It's got a backup camera, and it has a unbelievable, amazing color combination. I was just here, and there was someone just stopped by, and of all the cars, he stopped by in the older Jaguar, and with all the cars that were here, he came to this car and said, I love the color combination. So we encourage you to check out this car. You don't have to come in person. We can handle everything by phone, by email. We can do additional video conference and show you the car around. We can certainly deliver the vehicle to you. We can arrange financing and anything else that you expect from a high-end dealership to provide the level of customer service that we delivered to all our customers for over 30 years, and it shows through our reviews. You can go online and just search AlphaCars reviews. You'll be very impressed. Thank you very much for viewing this video, for spending your time on our YouTube channel. My name is Dimitri, and I was showing you an amazing 2012 Mercedes E350 with only 35,000 miles, an exciting AMG Sport package, topped off by the best tires money can buy, Continental Extreme Contacts, all four of them. To top that off, this car has all original factory paint, which means you're buying factory Mercedes, original quality, through AlphaCars. Thanks again.